Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting unboxing video. I'll be showing you what I picked up from Chanel and Dior. I have a shopping vlog, so if you haven't watched my shopping vlog, I'll link it up here. You can also find the link down below. I'll also link everything that I'm wearing in this video and everything that I'm showing you down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I'm really excited to show you what I got from Chanel and Dior. If you're excited too and want to see my new goodies, keep watching. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I actually bought these more than actually not more, but like a month ago, and one of the items I haven't unboxed. I know, it's crazy, I just didn't have time. To be honest, the weather wasn't great, so I knew I wasn't gonna wear it anyway. So it stayed in the box. However, the other one I've already worn, and you'll see which one. But actually I'll start with the one that I haven't seen yet, because I bought it a month ago and I haven't seen it, which is crazy. I'm still very excited though. And it is this Dior purchase. By the way, Dior has new bags, which are absolutely gorgeous. I really like the new packaging. It has a really nice detail on the inside. Look at the bees. I'm all about detail. I love tiny little details like this, and the writing now is in gold. So let's see what I bought from Dior. I haven't seen this. Oh my god, my essay messaged me. And by the way, I'll leave her details down below as well. She's great. You definitely have to go see her. You will love her. So she messaged me and she was like, how do you like your new purchase? And I messaged her back saying that I haven't unboxed it yet. So yeah, it's been a month. Look at the box. I have totally forgotten how beautiful the packaging is. Look at this. It is stunning. So let's unbox this. Alright. This is something from the new collection. Let me leave everything down. Cards, dust bag. Can you imagine if it's the wrong item? No, I'm joking. So this is from the newest collection. Oh my god, I can't believe I didn't unbox these earlier. Guys, they are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Just look at them. Little babies. Oh my god, aren't these the most beautiful shoes you have seen? Like, I'm not even joking. These are perfect. Oh my god. My mum is obsessed with these. She was like, you need these, you need to buy them, they're so gorgeous. They are. I totally agree with her. These are amazing. So I got these Dior shoes in the new nude color. These are the fabric version. So I got these in a size 38. I could have bought half size down, but they were a bit snug and I didn't want them to be too snug. These are very comfortable. I think it's because the way the heel is going in and then out, so your foot feels very secure. Yeah, they're very comfortable. Even the high heel version is very comfortable, but I wanted to get something that I could wear more. You know, I'm not really a fan of very high heels, so I decided to get the kitten version. They look very classy, very beautiful. To be honest, I love everything from the new season. They have another pair that I really liked as well, so I was contemplating between both. The other one was patent and it was a bit more pinky. These are more nude, but I thought these complement my skin tone more. And to be honest, I love the look of these more. I love the fabric version, and they're like slightly textured. I'll include some close-ups so you can see. So yeah, these are my new Dior shoes, and I've been wanting a pair of these Dior shoes for the longest time, since they came out, literally. And I remember how hard it was to get a pair when they first released this style. They were always sold out. They were impossible to get. So I finally got them, and now they have so many different options in many different finishes, colors. So highly recommend these, highly recommend them, and I can't wait to wear them. Next I'll show you this This, I'll be honest, I already started wearing. So it is unboxed already. It doesn't have the ribbon or the camellia on it. So I'll just show you. It's another pair of shoes. If you've watched my video, you know I was looking for a pair of shoes to go with my Coco handle. Oh, and now speaking about the Coco handle, I forgot to get it. I might go and grab it so you can see. But I was looking for a pair of shoes to go with my Coco handle, and I found these, and these are not current season. These were actually old season, and they only had one pair left in my size. I was so lucky that I found these. They are not the exact same color as my Coco handle. I will include some clips so you can see how they look. They're not the same shade of grey, but they're very similar, so I don't mind. They don't have to be the exact same color. I already bought the Chanel Mules, which are closer to the bag, to the color of the bag. But I wanted something flat that I can wear every day, and I'm so glad that I found these, because currently in their current collection they don't really have any ballerinas that in a very pale grey, light grey color. So I'm glad that I found these, and as I mentioned, I already started wearing these. So they're slightly creased because I've worn them probably, I don't know, 10 times already. And I even took these to the cobbler and I put these protective rubber soles, because I wore these. It was so funny. First time I wore these out, I checked the weather. It was fine, it was sunny, and I went out and it started pouring, guys. And I was wearing these the first time out in these new shoes, ballerinas. The sole is leather, so you're not supposed to wear them when it's raining, because yeah, you ruin them basically. Yeah, it started pouring and there was nothing I could do. So I wore them out in the rain and they were soaked. So I let them air dry and I brought these to the cobbler to put these rubber soles. But yeah, they're fine now, and I really love them. I got them in size 38. That's what I normally get in Chanel shoes, to be honest. Every single pair of shoes that I own from Chanel is in size 38, and I think in Chanel shoes I'm just 38. I never get 37.5 in Chanel shoes. I find that they run slightly small. These are in the lambskin leather, I think. I'm not 100% sure. It might be calf actually. Sorry guys, I'm not sure. These also have the classic Chanel quilting. I've always been a fan of this quilted style of ballerina flats. And I have another pair which are silver tweed, and I love both, but I needed something for my new bag because the other ones are a bit too silver and they don't really go well with my Coco handle. So yeah, they have this gorgeous Chanel CC with a little bow at the front. I find them so adorable, so cute, and they're extremely comfortable. They have a nice tiny little heel. So yeah, they look really cute on with skinny jeans. They look amazing with dresses. So I can't wait to wear these more and style them. So yeah, these are my new Chanel shoes. Alright guys, that's all. Let me know which pair was your favorite. Do you like the Chanel ballerinas, or do you prefer the Chanel Dior slingbacks? I love both of them, honestly. I'm so obsessed with both pairs and I can't wait to wear them more and style them. I can't wait to wear my new Dior shoes as well. Let me leave these down. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new and if you enjoy watching luxury unboxing, styling videos. So if you're interested, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also come follow me on my other social media platforms, which I've linked down below, and you can also see here my Instagram on the screen where I upload outfit of the day videos, outfit of the day outfits. What? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.